A taste of Nigeria. Okra soup and fufu. This traditional Nigerian dish is a staple in many households across the country. It's not just food, it's a cultural experience that brings people together. Okra soup is a beloved dish in Nigeria. It is often enjoyed during family gatherings, celebrations, and special occasions. The soup is known for its rich, hearty flavor and its ability to bring warmth and comfort. It's a vibrant and flavorful soup. The bright green okra, combined with a variety of spices and ingredients, creates a dish that is both visually appealing and delicious. The texture of the soup is unique, with the okra giving it a slightly viscous consistency that is loved by many. Okra soup is often served with fufu. Fufu is a dough-like side dish that is perfect for dipping into the soup. It is made from starchy root vegetables like yam, cassava, or plantains, which are boiled and then pounded into a smooth, elastic texture. Fufu is a dough-like side dish. It is a versatile accompaniment that can be paired with a variety of soups and stews. The process of making fufu is often a communal activity, with family members coming together to prepare the dish. It is made from starchy root vegetables. These vegetables are a staple in Nigerian cuisine and provide a rich source of carbohydrates. The preparation of these vegetables is an important part of the culinary tradition. Okra soup represents the heart of Nigerian cuisine. It is a dish that is deeply rooted in the culture and history of the country. The preparation of okra soup is often a family affair, with recipes being passed down from generation to generation. It is a symbol of togetherness. Families and friends gather to enjoy this delicious soup, sharing stories and creating memories. The act of sharing a meal is an important aspect of Nigerian culture, and okra soup plays a central role in this tradition. Families and friends gather to enjoy this delicious soup. The communal aspect of dining is emphasized, with everyone coming together to partake in the meal. The soup is often served in a large pot, with everyone helping themselves to a portion. Okra soup is a celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients. The use of fresh vegetables and spices is key to the dish's flavor. Each ingredient is carefully selected to ensure the highest quality and taste. The flavors are rich and satisfying. The combination of spices, vegetables, and sometimes meat or fish creates a complex and delicious taste that is both comforting and invigorating. Each ingredient plays a vital role in the soup's unique taste. From the fresh okra to the aromatic spices, every component adds to the overall flavor and texture of the dish. The result is a soup that is truly a masterpiece of Nigerian cuisine. Before we proceed, subscribe, like, and press the bell to be able to be notified for our videos. Gathering your ingredients, a symphony of flavors. Cooking is an art, and like any masterpiece, it begins with the right ingredients. Today we're diving into a culinary journey to create a delicious soup that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your soul. To make this delicious soup, you'll need a few key ingredients. Freshness is paramount, so make sure to select the best produce available. The vibrant colors and aromas of these ingredients will set the stage for a truly memorable dish. Let's start with the protein. The choice of protein can significantly influence the flavor profile of your soup. You can use beef, goat meat, or fish. Each option brings its own unique taste and texture to the dish. Beef offers a hearty, robust flavor. Goat meat provides a rich, slightly gamey taste, and fish adds a delicate, oceanic essence. For a vegetarian option, you can use mushrooms or plant-based protein. Mushrooms, with their earthy flavor and meaty texture, are an excellent substitute. Plant-based proteins, on the other hand, offer a nutritious and sustainable alternative. Next, you'll need okra, the star of the show. Okra not only adds a unique texture to the soup, but also acts as a natural thickener, giving the soup its signature consistency. Choose fresh okra for the best flavor and texture. When selecting okra, look for pods that are bright green and firm to the touch. Avoid any that are soft or discolored. Palm oil gives the soup its characteristic richness and color. This vibrant red oil is not only flavorful but also packed with nutrients, making it a staple in many traditional dishes. Crayfish adds a unique depth of flavor. These tiny crustaceans bring a subtle seafood essence that enhances the overall taste of the soup. Spices like chili pepper and locust beans enhance the taste. The heat from the chili peppers adds a kick, while the locust beans contribute a slightly fermented umami flavor. Together they create a harmonious blend that elevates the soup to new heights. Preparing the protein, the heart of the soup. Start by washing the protein thoroughly. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. This will ensure even cooking. Heat a large pot over medium heat. Add a small amount of oil. Brown the protein on all sides. This will enhance its flavor. Once browned, remove the protein from the pot, set it aside. We'll add it back to the soup later. Section 4. Building the base palm oil, crayfish, and spices. In the same pot, add the palm oil. Heat it over medium heat. Be careful not to overheat the oil. Add the crayfish to the hot oil. Fry for a few minutes until fragrant. This will release their flavor. Next, add the chopped onions, chili pepper, and locust beans. Fry until the onions are translucent. The spices will infuse the oil with their aroma. Section 5. The star of the show, cooking okra to perfection. Now it's time to add the okra to the pot. Make sure to wash and trim the okra before adding it. Stir the okra gently to coat it with the oil and spices. Cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Avoid overcooking the okra. It should be tender, but still retain a slight crunch. This will ensure a perfect texture in the soup. Section 6. A rainbow of flavors. Adding vegetables for nutrition. Add the chopped vegetables to the pot. You can use spinach, pumpkin leaves, or any other leafy greens you prefer. Stir the vegetables gently to combine them with the other ingredients. Cook until the vegetables are wilted but still vibrant in color. Adding vegetables enhances the nutritional value of the soup. It also adds a beautiful pop of color to the dish. Section 7. A healthier twist, fufu alternatives. Traditional fufu is made from starchy root vegetables like cassava or yams. These root vegetables are staples in many African cuisines and are known for their rich, starchy texture that pairs perfectly with a variety of soups and stews. While delicious, these options can be high in carbohydrates. High carbohydrate intake can be a concern for those managing their blood sugar levels or looking to maintain a balanced diet. For a healthier twist, consider using fufu alternatives. These alternatives not only offer a different flavor profile but also come with added health benefits that can support a more balanced diet. Plantain fufu is a great option. Plantains are rich in vitamins A and C, and they provide a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. It is lower in carbohydrates and higher in fiber. This makes plantain fufu a suitable choice for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake while still enjoying a hearty meal. Cauliflower fufu is another healthy and delicious alternative. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be transformed into a low-carb fufu with a mild flavor that complements many dishes. It is low in carbohydrates and calories. This makes it an excellent option for those who are watching their calorie intake or following a low-carb diet. It is also a good source of fiber and nutrients. Cauliflower provides essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which are important for overall health. You can enjoy your healthy and flavorful Nigerian okra soup with your choice of fufu. Whether you choose traditional fufu, plantain fufu, or cauliflower fufu, each option brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits to your meal. Do not forget to subscribe for us to bring more healthy recipes.